In just a second. This is it. It says, what is the probability that a randomly selected person would score above 157 on a test? And the mean is 150, and the standard deviation is 9. So it would be 157 minus 150, right? So it'd give you 7. And then you divide it by 9. Let me...
Yeah.
Wow.
157. It was from our last lesson.
So lesson 7.
What I was trying to pull up.
And it got 0.7777 or 0.778. And that's on our homework quiz. That was number 1, where that was the right answer, 0.778. But number 2, I didn't do the z-score, the 0.778. I did it. It said a randomly selected person, so I thought that was 1. I don't know, maybe. I don't know what I did.
Yeah, that's right. It's 1.
Yeah.
But then wouldn't it be the same answer? So maybe I just did my math wrong.
No, you have to put it in the probability app.
Oh, okay. So maybe that's where I went wrong. Because I got 0.0582. Didn't get the right answer.
What z-score did you get?
0.778.
Yeah.
Oh, so I would have, yeah, that's the number I... 0.778.
So what was the probability of getting it greater than that score?
Oh, see, I must have, I don't know what I did, because I...
Yeah, because all you do is shade to the right of the highest bar.
218. It always makes so much sense when I talk to you guys. When I do it on my own, and it doesn't make sense.
Oh, I know that pain.
But then if I did it for 5 randomly selected people, I would just do the square root of 5 with my standard deviation over the square root of 5.
Yeah.
And then enter the number into my probability applet.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, because that would give you the z-score.
Okay, and then that's what I probably got wrong on the last one. Okay. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, the review. On number 9, I did number 9 in the program, the SPSS program, and I didn't see a first quartile or a third quartile number. Did anybody else get those? It had the minimum, and it had the median, and it had the mean, and it had the maximum, and it had the standard deviation, but it didn't have the others.
Let me try and open it.
I did it in Excel.
Oh, okay. So I guess if it doesn't work in the SPSS, just move it to Excel?
Yeah, it's pretty easy in Excel.
What do you ask for in Excel to get the first quartile? Because I know how to do the standard deviation, but what do you ask for box plot?
You just put equals, quartile, highlight the numbers, and then after you do that, put a comma, and if you want the first quartile, put a 1. And then close the parentheses, and it should give you the number.
Okay, I'm going to try that. Thank you. And you just copied the numbers from the paper, just copy and paste? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Were there any problems anybody else had?
No. The only ones that I wasn't fully sure about was the sample methods, for
Number 5?
yeah.
Well, 5 I got stratified. Did you get the same?
Uh-huh.
And 6, I got cluster.
Okay, yeah. That one I was debating between simple, random, and cluster for that one. I just wasn't sure.
See, the way you can tell if it's a cluster, they took the entire grade. They didn't do a random sample of that class. They just did a random sample of the grade, but then they took the entire class. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So they had clusters, and then they took it, rather than taking like one child from each 4th grade class, they just chose the cluster and took the entire. There's actually a complete definition. It says a cluster sample is all items in one or more randomly selected cluster. A block.
Okay.
Randomly selected the grade and then took the whole class.
Okay.
If it's simple random sample, they'll just take like 1 or 2 or something.
Okay, that makes sense.
Did you get that for number 7, simple random sample?
Yeah. That's why I just was like, I don't, like, I know that one was simple. I just.
They have to do them just confusing enough to make it really difficult. Number 8, stratified.
What?
8 was stratified.
Did I get stratified?
For
number
8.
8?
Mm-hmm. Only half my headphones are working, so I can't hear you well.
Should we just go in? Are we all on the quiz now? For group?
Oh.
No, I haven't opened the quiz yet, but I can.
Yeah, I think oh, you know what, though? We're not supposed to record that.
Oh, okay.
Do you want me to stop the broadcast and post this for 8? And then we'll just start another broadcast for 9 when we're ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay.